Okay, so what you have in front of you right now is how to calculate averages. I even titled up here for you, aren't I nice? Okay, so right now, if you were to calculate the average of this information right here, you'll see I have dates. I have January 1st through the 10th, and I have the number of Cheetos eaten and some random numbers thrown in here, and the number of apples eaten and some random numbers thrown in here. If I wanted to calculate the average, now remember average is you would add all these up and divide by however many you have. But let's say you have thousands and thousands worth of cells of information. There's a much easier way to do this. You're going to click in the cell where you want your average to be shown, which for us is going to be in B13. Remember when I say B13, it's where column B and row 13 meet. You'll go up here to formulas, and you're going to insert function. Okay, if you click on insert function, here's average right here. So go ahead and click on average and then OK. Now this right here is telling you for my first number I'm looking at the average between cell B3 and B12, which you want to double check. B3 is right here. Okay, B12 is down here. You see in your cell right here it's telling you equal sign, which means do a function, equals the average of B3 through B12. Okay, you go ahead and click OK here, and it's going to display your information. Now if I went in here and I changed this number from 10 to 1, okay, it's going to change my average to 26.8. Okay, this is why you want to use the functions rather than figure this stuff out by hand. Okay, so again, if I want to find the average of numbers of apples eaten, you do not have to highlight this. You're going to click on the cell where you want the answer to go, insert function, average, make sure that's selected. You can click OK, and it's going to show you your formula, which is equal the word average, and in parentheses it's telling you what cells to look at, C3 through C12. So let's say you only wanted to find the average of the first 5. You can change that right in here. Go ahead and click OK, and your number is going to be shown. Okay, so there you go. That's how you calculate the average in Excel.